On the program today, we are going to be making bow tie pasta. First, let me tell you the ingredients we are going to be using today. 1 pound of chicken breast, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 can of cream of chicken soup, 1/2 cup of sun-dried tomato pesto, 1/2 cup of milk, and a 12-ounce box of bow tie pasta. Let's get cooking. When the water starts boiling, it's a good idea to put in salt because that's the only time you are going to be able to season your pasta. So I add about a tablespoon, teaspoon around that of the salt. Into the boiling water that we added salt to, we're going to add a 12-ounce box of bow tie pasta. I put the pasta in the water and just give it a quick little stir and then leave it cook till the noodles are al dente. After the pasta has cooked for maybe 10 to 12 minutes, it should be al dente, and then we're going to drain the pasta. Pour the pasta into a strainer and strain it real well so that the pasta is water-free. And it's essential that you wash your hands before and after you are handling chicken. Right now I'm going to be cutting the chicken into bite-sized pieces. They need to be probably about 1 inch in width, so they're like little cubes. It's really easy to cut these pieces up. Right now I'm going to be adding the chicken to the 2 tablespoons of butter. I'll be browning this until it's cooked through. In just a few minutes, the chicken will be nice and brown and cook through. In this bowl, I'm going to put in 1/2 cup of milk, the 1 cup of cream of chicken, or the 1 can of cream of chicken soup, and 1/2 cup of sun-dried tomato pesto. Okay, these 3 ingredients I'm going to whisk together so that they're mixed well before I pour them on the chicken. After the chicken is nice and brown and the pesto and the cream of chicken soup and the milk are mixed together, you're going to add that to the chicken. After the pasta is drained, we are going to be adding it to the chicken and the sauce. Then we just stir it to coat all the pasta, and the dish is done. There you have it. Doesn't it look delicious? Well, that's all the time we have for today. I look forward to seeing you on another episode of Cooking with Bev.